Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to change your TikTok profile picture. So let's start. First, open your TikTok app. Now go to your profile from bottom right corner. Now tap on your profile picture. Now tap on the edit icon just beside your profile picture. Now select the photo you want. Then tap on confirm on bottom right corner. Now crop the image as you want to. And tap save on bottom right corner when you are done. And that's how you can change your profile picture on TikTok. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.